Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Aisyah Gunur Aini, NPM 2341166. I'm from class management 23B. And here will I explanation the material about key issue in the digital environment. Next, the micro and macro environment. Macro environment elements outside of the organization that indirectly influence its operation. Microenvironment, internal factor that directly influence the organization such as suppliers, competitor, intermediaries, and customer. Next, social factor. Every country has people with different outlooks and opinions of certain ideas, product or service, and communication. Some of the key elements include number one, culture, demographics such as age and gender, social lifestyle, domestic structure, affluence or wealth, and religion. A good example of this is the change in consumer buying behavior because of internet usage. Next, legal and ethical factor. Legislative change can usually affect the business environment. For example, it took Spotify a number of years to launch in Canada because in the country royalty and copyright laws. Some of the key legal factors to consider are data protection and privacy law, particularly regarding email, which has been replied by General Data Protection Regulation, implement and 25 May 2018, and disability and discrimination law to brand and trademark protection, 3 intellectual property rights and contract law. Next, economic factor. These relate to be elements of an economy and is the condition. Example in cloud 1, market growth and employment, 2, inflation rate, 3, interest rate, 4, monetary or fiscal policy, and 5, foreign exchange rate. A good example for an e-commerce standpoint is the area of dynamic pricing. This is where a transactional e-commerce site use algorithms to change the price of its product or service based on different market conditions such as competitor pricing, supply and demand, spending habit, time of day, location, and operating system. Next, political factor. An organization needs to consider the political situation of a country and the world in relation to that country. Areas to consider include 1. Government or leadership. 2. Policies. 3. Tax law. And 4. Internet governance. From a digital marketing perspective, if an organization is operating in a global marketplace and using social media to connect and communicate with its customer, it is worth understanding which countries block Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Next, technology factor. New technology is changing the way that people and business to do things, from connecting with others to purchasing product and service. Improvement in both hardware and software are key factors in this change. Next, factor affecting e-commerce buying behavior. Number 1, credit card information being stolen. Unfortunately, there has been a huge increase in cybercrime recently. According to Kanochi 2017, in the UK, 124 million was stolen by hackers and criminals via the internet in 2016. On way to help provide software with confidence in the service and protect against cybercrime is to use email authenticity to prevent found message and encrypting out parts of a website. Number 2, fake online store. Some people feel anxious purchasing from a virtual company that does not have a physical address or location, so their purchase might not exist. Next, number 3, information will be sold. A common fear is that after an online transaction, the customer will be inundated with promotional emails, catalog, and offers from third party. On way to alleviate this fear is to implement an leads privacy policy and after customer the option to select the information they want to receive and how often they want to receive it. Number 4, uncertainty about the actual nature of the product. Many consumers rely on the sensory aspect of shopping, and since they cannot feel, touch, and even smell the product, they fear making the wrong choice. Next, number 5, lost order. Some online shoppers worry that their order will get lost or not arrive on time. More and more online retailers are offering various delivery and order tracking options to give customers more control over this aspect of their shopping experience. Last, Number 6, need for salesperson assistance. In general, online shopping can feel one-sided, and some people prefer to have the assistance of a knowledgeable salesperson to discussion their needs. Oke, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.